Hey Tulsa, my name's Tyler with Witness Security. Today we had to come out to a customer that she wasn't a customer before we started with her, but she activated her system with us because her current system was acting up. It was causing her to be a prisoner in her own home, as she said. And we just wanted to say, one, thank you, but if you have a system that is acting up and you need help with it, give Witness Security a call, 918-289-0880.